Science of self. Let's start with a question. What is science? Special knowledge about an object when made on that is called science. This is meant when we have the special knowledge on the self. It's called science of self. External science deals with the object which are the outside the self. So it is very easy to deal with, but when we talk about the self, then it is very difficult to deal with as there is no helper during observation of the self. There is no any instrument during enquiry the self. Only one thing can help during enquiry, that is the right questioning about the self. Every question has its own power to bring ourselves towards the self. But unless and until getting the truth of that questions, we will not make able to break the surface of the self. One truth are exist on which everything of the universe are depends on. That is the essence of all kind. This truth is not in outside, but it is inside, which is the fundamental duty of ourself to know exactly. The biggest truth is exist among all kind and everywhere. But the difference is few are know about it and many are not. The beauty of the science of self is not to be shown to anyone, which is not to be shared, which is not to be useful, which is not to be proven to someone. If you know this truth, then it doesn't come into the help for anybody else, but it is only you will know. The discovery on self of science cannot be helpful for others like external science. In external science, one discovery can use anyone of this planet, whereas self discovery is only yours, which cannot be used by others. For different personality, the discovery will be the same, but the way of discovery may be different. And to know that way is the self of science, because self is self. It is not yours or myself. It is not past, present, or future self. From very beginning of the whole universe, only one self were there. It is we are all, and it is now, and it will be remain forever. Thank you. Wish you all the very best.